So it can be a tiny home once it's done. It's looking rough right now, but he's gonna do something about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Cheche here once again. What you're looking at today is a cabin or a donga. My husband bought this from his friend, and the delivery fee is more expensive than the amount of this cabin. It's a project cabin. So we'll see in a few months if my husband will really fix this. It's like from the roof to the flooring, and not too bad with the walls. It needs fixing. So that's it. Show you. So inside, I went inside before. So it's a bit rough, really rough. Look at the floor. Wow, that needs to be fixed. And the ceiling. Yeah, it's a total gut. At least there's a frame, because my husband's been looking for a long time now for a cabin. So you have the window at the side. That's the door, and there's a window. Inside you can't see much. Oh, a bit rough. Are you thirsty ba? Thirsty? Hi guys, good afternoon. And today I'm going to show you the progress of our cabin. Let's take a look inside. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today I'm showing you our cabin project. So it's been moved here in the bush, and look, it's next to the river. So it's been moved to its location. My husband, he's just ordering the materials, because that will be gutted, the whole lot, and it will be replaced with a new one. Are you ready? Come on, let's go inside. Ooh. Hi, baby. Show us around your cabin. Come on. Show us around. So all the internal walls have been taken off. Including the ceiling. And that's just insulation, the bats you call it. So my husband would like to save it. And including this. He wants to save this wall of this toilet. See, it's all removed. I didn't show you, but my husband was working here and I was burning stuff and I just saw his foot. So, oh dear, he fell in here. So, this needs attention, this floor. But still, they need to fix the roof first, I think, before fixing the floor. It's a big job. We're getting there. We're getting there. Hi, baby! You've done a good job. Hoping that it will not rain. Oh, otherwise it will do more damage. That's my husband's cat. Hardworking person.
Cut, splinter, hurdies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Other things.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I will be posting my simple life here in this side of the world, Australia. Bye.